Hello, good morning, Diamonds. I am back, Diamond Squad. Stay motivated, keep it going, stay motivated. Keep it keep it going. Stay on the track. I be putting in little songs every other morning, you guys, but I want you guys to stay motivated because that's what you need and that's what you need to stay in that type of mind frame because these jobs are great. All these jobs, uh, they're basically mostly entry level jobs or no experience required. And sometimes I put in mid level jobs and jobs that you will need bachelor's degree and stuff as well and associate's degrees. But let's get into it. This first company that I have for this morning will be from this company called Paper. And the job role for this position, for this job, this company will be a part-time essay review tutor. And if you haven't already, if you're brand new here, like, subscribe, comment down below. And everybody who has been here, my Diamond Squad, go ahead and give me a like so I can get placed on the algorithm and be in the limelight with all the other work from home uh, ventures, and just go ahead and put out more jobs. Like we all are trying to help you find that dream job. All these work from home channels, they are wonderful, they're amazing. Go ahead and get into it. So let's go ahead and finish out with this video and try to give you, and let me give you the walkthrough of the details of this company. And the pay for this job will be $17.50 per hour. It's a part-time job position. It is a remote position as well. And the benefits for this job is 401k, flexible schedule, opportunities for advancement, and referral program. Now, this is a full job description for this company. We are looking for experienced part-time essay reviewers dedicated to making education more equitable to join our team. Our essay reviewers are language and writing experts who approach essay reviews as tutors rather than as editors or proofreaders using the paper method. A customized methodology to engage with students and help them develop their writing skills by providing comprehensive reviews that focus on content, structure, tone, citations, as well as sentence level mechanical issues such as grammar, pronunciation, etc. You'll have the chance to hone your essay review skills, all while making a meaningful difference in students' lives by helping them improve their academic, professional, and personal writing skills. Now, the responsibility of this job as a part-time essay review tutor is essay review, provide asynchronous, if I said it wrong, sorry about that, asynchronous, constructive feedback and suggestions on student essay assignments, conduct pedagogical, pedagogical um, assessments, and provide feedback to teachers and students, create an engaging learning environment, and enhance student confidence and interest in learning. Um, contribute to the tutor team by offering your knowledge and support to peers. Qualifications goes as essay review and or tutoring, essay writing plus 1 year plus undergraduate degree, are in the process of completion in relevant field, passionate about learning and teaching, consistently available to work at least 10 hours per week, reliable access to laptop or computer, not a tablet, and internet. We use Adobe Acrobat Reader DC for our essay review service. Ability to sit and type at a computer for long periods of time. Job perks: work with a dynamic team that provides support whenever you get stuck. Work from the comfort of your home. Flexible schedule based on your availability. Opportunity to for career development and advancement into management with a fast growing company. A unique opportunity to make an impact by making education more equitable. Now, the scheduling for this job will be student demand fluctuates, throughout the school year, peaking in fall and dropping off during winter, holidays, and summer. Part-time tutors may receive up to 30 hours of tutoring shifts per week. Our tutors work within blocks, and you can select one per day to create your availability within. Block 1, 4 a.m. through 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Block 2, 11 a.m. through 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And Block 3, 8 p.m. through 6 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Our tutors start at $17.50 per hour. Adjustments for Emer- Emeryville, Sunnyvale, Mountain View, and San Francisco, California, as well as Seattle and Washington. Wages are paid bi-weekly, direct deposit in your national currency. Now, once again, this is a part-time job position, and the salary for this company will be $17.50 per hour to become a part-time essays review tutor, remote position. And the benefits, once again, is 401k or 401k, flexible schedule and referral program. And the schedule is day shift, evening shift, Monday to Friday, night shift, overnight shift, and weekend availability. Now, with this job, their hiring insights will be ongoing. They need to fill this position in this role, and they have been posting this job 22 weeks, 22 days, 22 days. Oh my God, nearly a month. Not weeks, but days. 22 days, you guys. So jump on it. Um, Sorry, my allergies are acting up just a little bit, you guys. I apologize. Those allergies can be something else, you guys. But yes, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and comment down below. Turn on the notification bell, and remember to be inspired. I will be having more jobs posted in a little while today, and I hope you guys go ahead and fill in as much applications you can from any website that is legitimate, and any job that is legitimate. Stay tuned because on my channel they're all legitimate jobs, um, 100%. And I just want you guys to be feeling inspired and know that someone has your back when it comes to jobs. And this channel is one of those channels that have your back when it comes to jobs. Um, and it's legitimate jobs, factual jobs. They're great resources, and I just want you guys to be inspired and never give up. Keep going, you diamonds, keep shining. Get a piece of that work pie. You've got this. You sparkle on like a diamond. Keep shining because you're worth it. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.